She's watching cruise videos. Yes, on that. Oh, she's showing us. Oh, nice. On her phone. Look, she posing. I could not. She's my baby. Oh my goodness, she's so funny. So yes on that. She's watching cruise videos. She's watching them on her phone and her iPad. Did you peep that? So hubby just came back from his me time shopping. Look what he got. I was just about to put him in, and I turned it over like, not realizing the Harry Potter fudge stripes. Yes, on the butterbeer. So Sydney and I are excited about that. So yes, and he already put everything away. For the most part, this is, what's left. But I wanted to show you this. So he grabbed these too. As soon as I saw them, I knew exactly what they were for. He likes to have, spinach wraps and things, and, onions, tomatoes, all the things, right? So, I mean, honestly, this will be dinner one night, so that's perfect. So, yes on that. Oh, he bought this potato bread. Oh, you know what? We're going to have burgers, so, yeah. Oh, he wants to put this in the freezer. So, yeah, I'm excited. One of these days. Oh, he grabbed this too. I didn't realize until I had to stare at it for a minute because I was just saying that I don't like hers sour cream and onion. For whatever reason, I don't know. Not hers. What's the sour cream and onion out of Lay's, right? Is that what it was? Remember? Oh, girl. He just said us. That's why I didn't like. That's why I didn't like them. So, yeah, I like hers sour cream and onion chips, right? And we didn't have any more. And then he saw this because he always buying the fun stuff. So he got me. He was like, here. He got me some sour cream and onion popcorn. So yes on that. He running in and out. Oh my goodness. So yeah, little bit stuff going on. What's that for?
Bendy pliers. You can bend stuff.
What you need it for?
So I can put the charms on the thing. Be able to open them again.
Oh, he's putting the charms. Remember the bracelet that annoyed me so much in the last video? He's putting, that's what he's going to use to put the charms on. Well, you have to do my bracelet, Sydney's bracelet, you doing now, and Kara, we all got one.
Okay, I'm only doing one today.
He say he only doing one today. All right. So stepping out on the patio here, it's looking a hot mess, right? So we're going to clean all this up. And remember I was talking about all the green pollen and things? So this is what I was saying, and I would normally power wash it, but I want to try something different this year. It's still going to get power washed, I feel like, but you know what I mean? Like it's nowhere near over there the way that it is over here, and we struggle with it every year. So we're just going to try something new, but oh my goodness, I love it. I love being out here. It's just so peaceful. So yes on that. Here are the flowers that the girls planted. Oh my goodness, I don't remember what they were, but these are starting to come up. So yes on that. So yeah, just a lot of cleanup out here and things. I'll bring the swing out. Kara loves that. And just stuff that needs to be cleaned up, right? So that it's just nice and calm. So hubby moved all the furniture out. We're just going to throw these leaves away. You know what I mean? Like bag them up. And the furniture will rock over here for a little bit. Okay, just a little bit at a time. I hear hubby in there sneezing. I just text him, bless you. So yeah, just a little bit at a time. I did put some water in the girls' little plants, flowers and things. So yeah, I'm not going to work myself crazy because I said I wasn't going to do anything. But at least I can be out here and just chillax. I do have this out here, but I don't even feel like it. Hubby said leave it for him. There's Miss Hershey girl under there. She's enjoying herself. So yeah, just little bit by little bit, I'll keep coming out. So it's actually the next evening. I didn't have time yesterday, so I came home from work, cooked dinner, ate dinner, right? And then I decided to come out here and do this because I wanted to do it with Miss Girl. I have to try it and see how it works out. Like with me and the What is it? I was going to say blowtorch. What is wrong with me? The sprayer thing. Y'all know what I'm talking about. The power washer, right? I gotta do it myself. So it takes time. It's not an overnight thing, so Miss Girl, she had to be out here with me. So we'll just see. But I wanted to at least get it down there and spray it. Um, I'm looking and there's one light lit over there. I'm definitely going to replace the solar stake lights in the front of the house. And I want to do the ones back here too. Yeah, I'll wait and see how many. Actually, I want all new ones, honestly. Hey guys, new day. So I pulled out the basket from the closet, right? All the new stuff that I get goes in the basket, right? So it's a lot of lemon in there. Oh, I grabbed this from Dollar Tree. Yes on that. I bought 2. I put 1 here. That is so cute. The Riesling, the Merlot, the Cabernet. That's me, that Cabernet. So 1 is up here and 1 is downstairs in a new space, right? So hubby put the 2 Easter bins away and pulled out the bees and the lemons. So I'm just going to put up the lemons for now. I'm going to save the bees. He could throw this back in the garage. But I just it's just, just that pop, right? To brighten up the space in the kitchen and things. So yes on these. I forgot I had these. They're so adorable. Oh my goodness. And I grabbed this thrifting. I thought it was so pretty. So I don't know, maybe, oh girl, maybe I'll prop it up or something. They put the thing up there so that you can hang it. I would be too nervous that it will fall and just be in a million pieces. But the wreath and things, my wallflower plug-in from Bath and Body Works, and all of my, here she come. All of my lemons is here in a lemon bowl, which I don't remember where I got this from, right? Yes, on the fakery. Always need the fakery. Usually it's flowers in here. I just threw the lemons in here just now. The lemonade, right? And then my fresh, my Ray Dunn lemon squeezy thing, right? I'll throw some lemons up there. And my salt and pepper back here. Isn't that so cute? That is so cute. So the salt and the pepper, right, are rocking. Some measuring spoons, the bowls. I love these bowls for like every occasion, right? From Home Goods, Marshalls and things, TJ. And then over here in the basket is more fakery. A couple more lemon things and everything. The jars from Dollar Tree, right? I think I just grabbed this one from At Home. I was rocking in there, girl. It is so expensive in there. Oh my goodness. But I did get a couple things from there. Some of the towels, right? The kitchen towels from Dollar Tree. I think this is from Burlington. I grabbed. But the fakery is fire. And I really fell in love with this. I think because of the burlap. So that was At Home, right? And then just a couple more things in here. I'm not sure exactly where they're going to go, but definitely going to just spread it throughout the house. Maybe throw a couple things on the shelves in the family room now that I'm using it. To compromise with hubby. I'm trying to get this from down here. Miss Girl, yes on that from the Dollar Tree. Oh my goodness, this is probably my fave out of the whole thing. Girl. And a couple more fakery pieces. I think these are from Burlington. So, yeah, I'm not sure, but I caught it on sale, right? So I threw it in the cart. But I'm excited. I'm excited to throw some things up. And I grabbed these too. Where did I get these from? Oh, Dollar General. I don't know. This might be my fave too. This was, I got this about 2 weeks ago too. That is so pretty. Right on the girl's table. Perfect. That I could wipe it down. I try to keep it nice, clean, and as neat as I can over there. They have all of their things, especially Sydney. So, yeah, the big basket got some things. Yeah, oh, this is cute. I forget where I got this from. Home Goods. A brief history of household plants. Girl, but I love the book, so that's cool in the gang. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I had picked up. I just grabbed one of these. I know where I want to put it. So I liked it because of the scallop, you know, around the edges. So yeah. All right, you guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. I was up a little further and I had to back up. I feel like I'm right on the stove, right? See, it's so bright and pretty outside. Oh my goodness, but let me back up. So yeah, that's it. What time is it? I'm gonna go ahead and run and get the train. And let me see what's going on. The stuff seems to be working a little bit. The stuff that I sprayed outside, I feel like I'm gonna have to do it again. They say it's not a quick process, but the reviews on it is really, really good. So yeah, and it was so easy. It was just like I was still having fun, you know, even, you know, without the power wash, how I be out there like a maniac, like a maniac. So yeah, I think that's it. Nothing really crazy. I wanted to do a morning meet and girl, but after that bird situation, I'm a chill for now. And all right, I'll see you guys soon. I'm gonna go get my train. Bye. Oh, wow. So this is the day after. Get out of here. It does work. I'm going to have to spray a little bit more over there, but I can't believe this. Wow. I didn't think it would work that quickly. Wait till hubby see it. He was all fascinated. So, yeah, I'm excited about it. Yes.